It's fantastic getting into the great outdoors, but one of the challenges we come across is levelling up our camper trailer or caravan. Well, the guys at Explore, which is a product range available from Supercheap Auto, have come up with the solution, and that is levelling ramps like these. Now, these have got a great innovation in that they are specifically designed for dual axle type caravans. They're able to take 5 tonnes per axle and they're UV stabilised, but this black section separates from the red section. So if you were setting this up on a dual axle caravan, you can take the black section off, drive your rear axle up onto this, and when you've got enough clearance, you can put the black section on and get the extra height from that as well. So that in itself is fantastic. But they've also got these levelling chocks here, which fit in behind the tyre like that. They lock into the ramp and make sure that the caravan or camper trailer can't roll away while you're snug in bed at night. And they've also got a range of pads like this, which are really going to give your stabiliser legs a whole heap more surface area if you're camped in an area that's boggy or the soil is a little bit soft. Check those out. So that's the range of Explore products available at Supercheap Auto. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.